What are active and passive attacks? In this video, we will try to understand that. An active attack is an attack in which attackers try to modify or alter the content of messages and impact the system resources. For example, a replay attack is an example of an active attack. In a replay attack, attackers monitor valid data transmissions, intercept the data, and fraudulently repeat them or delay them or retransmit them later. A denial of service attack is also an example of an active attack. In a denial of service attack, attackers disrupt the service of a target host and make the target host unavailable for its intended users. For example, in a denial of service attack, attackers may send a massive number of requests to a target host. The massive number of requests may end up consuming all the network bandwidth or computational resources of the target host. As a result, the target host becomes unavailable for its intended users. Here, in a denial of service attack, attackers impact the system resources and make a target system unavailable for its intended users. So, it is an active attack. A passive attack, on the other hand, is an attack in which attackers observe or monitor the content of messages, but they do not alter the messages or do not impact the system resources. For example, an eavesdropping attack is an example of a passive attack. In an eavesdropping attack, an attacker monitors data transmission and steals sensitive data, but they do not alter the content of the messages. So, it is a passive attack. In an active attack, attackers may alter the content of a sensitive message or impact a resource or make a resource unavailable for its intended users. So, in an active attack, attackers mostly pose a threat to the integrity and availability of the system. On the other hand, in a passive attack, attackers may monitor data transmission and steal sensitive data, but they do not alter the message contents or impact the resources. So, in a passive attack, attackers mostly pose a threat to the confidentiality of the system. What is the CIA triad? Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The relevant links are provided in the description. A passive attack is more difficult to detect than an active attack. So, we need to pay more attention to prevent a passive attack. On the other hand, an active attack is easier to detect. So, we need to pay more attention to detect as well as prevent an active attack. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.